Hello folks, welcome to Ace Knowledge. This is Shardul Gavande. So now in this video we are going to see practical number 4b, which is to demonstrate an interfacing of 7 segment LED display and generate the count from 0 to 99 with a fixed time delay, which means that we have to take two LEDs and show the counting of numbers from 0 to 99 with a fixed time delay. So let us start with a practical. So let's create a project, new Keel Vision project over here. I'll give the name as 7 segment, and we'll select the microcontroller Atmel 8089C51. Click on OK, no, and over here you can see the source group 1. So let's create a new text file and start with our coding part. So we'll include the necessary header file first, reg51.h. Then we'll create, so we have to show a fixed time delay, right? So let us create a delay function over here, and I'll pass the parameter over here for delay function as unsigned int ms. Okay, and under this delay function I will have two variables, unsigned int I and j. So these two variables would be used for outer for loop and inner for loop. So for I equal to 0, I less than ms, semicolon, and I plus plus. So this is my outer for loop. Next, my inner for loop would be j equal to 0, then j less than any random number you can give. So I'm giving 1275 and j plus plus. Okay, so this I and j are basically to give a time delay in milliseconds. So this value would be passed by the user, or I'll pass it later on in the main function. So let us create our main function over here, void main. Into bracket I'll pass the parameter as void, since this function I don't want to accept any parameter. Then I will declare a character variable as number. So this would be as an array declaration, and in that I would pass some hexadecimal values. First is 0x3f, then 0x06, then 0x5b, 0x4f, then 0x66, 0x6d, then 0x7d, then 0x07, then 0x7f, and the last one is 0x6f. So these are my hexadecimal values, and this value represent nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so moving on further, I'll take int I comma j, the two variables again, because we are using two LEDs. So I would be representing the LED 1 and j for the second LED to process. So P2, let's take a port, define port P2 over here. We'll give some value 0, 0, and for P3 also we'll give value as 0x00. Next we have to write a while loop over here, and inside this while loop we will have for loop. For first one is I equal to 0, then I less than equal to 9, and then I plus plus. Okay, so this is my for loop. So for I equal to starting from 0 and less than equal to 9, since in the question they have said till 99, so first I is equal to 0 and I less than equal to 9, then we'll have over here as P2 equal to, I'll pass the value of I in the number array, and then I have here my next for loop, j equal to 0, then j less than equal to 9, the same as I, and j plus plus. And inside j I will have my p3. So p3 equal to, I will pass number, and in this j would be passed. Okay, and they have said to give some fixed delay, so I am calling my delay function over here and passing the number 50 over here. Okay, so it will start from I equal to 0. It will check, is I less than equal to 9? Yes, then it will go to p2, port p2, and I would be passed in the number array. So I will travel from this value till this value. Okay, so after this it will go to the j equal to 0. Again it will check condition for j less than equal to 9. Condition satisfied, then it will come to p3. J would be passed in array. J would travel from start to end over here. So this j would go on continuing. This j loop would go on executing till j is less than equal to 9. So once this condition does not get satisfied, it will come out and I value would be incremented. So I would be 1. Again 1 would be checked with 9, and it will enter this loop, and this j loop will get executed further. So this will go on till it reaches 99. So I would be first 0. J will travel from 0 to 9. It will keep on executing this value. Once it comes out of this loop, I value would be 1. Again j value will travel from 0 to 9. Then again I value would be 2, and so on. It will go till when I value is 9 and j value is also 9. Okay, so we have completed with the coding part. Let us save our code. We'll give the name as segment or segment display. Save it. We'll right click on source group, add existing files, segment display, add, type C source file. Okay, close. Make sure that the file appears over here. Go to target, right click, and we'll configure the options first. So frequency will set 11.0592. In the output, we'll make sure that create hex file checkbox is ticked. Click on OK. Go to target, right click, and build target. So over here you can see created hex file successfully and there are 0 errors and 0 warnings. So we have successfully built our target. Now let's go to Proteus over here and let's draw our microcontroller and the respective LED segments. So right click, place component from libraries. Let us take our 80C51 microcontroller and we'll click on OK. We'll drag and drop it over here. Then we'll take our LEDs from library. So 7 segment. So we would type here as cathode. We are going to take 7 segment cathode display. Over here, this one, 7 segment MPX1CC red 1 digit common cathode 7 segment display. So make sure you select this, click on OK, put it over here. The next one would go over here, and then since we are working with P2 and P3, so we'll use only those ports over here. P2 will have a connection with this LED display, and P3 will have a connection with this one. So let's connect it one by one in sequence given of the port. So now I've connected both the ports to the LEDs. Now let us take a terminal as ground. Let us place it over here and connect this point to the ground, and same goes for the second LED. Connect this point to ground. Now for the microcontroller we need to give the power, so go to terminal, select power, place the power over here and join it to this RST. Okay, so now right click on microcontroller, edit properties, change the frequency to 11.0592, program file, load the respective hex file which we saved in keel folder over here, 7 segment.hex. Open and simply click on OK. So now let us run it from here, and you can see the numbers 0, this is our I and this is our j. So j will go till 9, and once it is greater, it will I value would be incremented 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then I will be incremented. So this will go till 99. So now it has come to 91, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then again from 0 0 1 0 1 0 2 0 3 and so on. So we will stop our program over here. So this is how we perform 7 segment LED display from 00 to 99. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.